Hello my fellow eggheads, this is Liz. Today we're going to go over how to find and download the drivers you need for your HP computer. It's not as complicated a process as you would think. I'm a certified technician and I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to leave them down below and one of our certified technicians will get back to you. You find this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more great content.
So in my browser, I'm typing hp.com/support. From here, I'm going to click on software and drivers and then laptop. Here I'll be able to enter my model number or serial number. Also keep in mind I have the address, this URL in the description down below for the HP support page. So to locate the serial number or the model number, I look for a sticker on the bottom of my laptop and I can pull it off of there. Now I'm going to enter it in like so, and I will hit enter. Once I find the one I want, I select it. Here we go. Now I put in the OS version and proceed to the next page. And from here, I will have a list of the drivers I need. I can go ahead and download them, BIOS update, things like that, firmware update. So very useful. As you can see, it immediately starts to download, and then I'll be able to install whatever I need. So really simple and easy to use, and that's how you do it.
If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below and one of our certified technicians will get back to you. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.